Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. The sanity returned to the market. Every day Nifty was moving 300 plus points. Every day the Bank Nifty was moving 500 to 1000 points. And today, the first day, the correction sets in. There was some profit booking at the higher level. However, the profit booking came only after Nifty took 23,800 on the higher side. To be precisely, 23,807 was the highest point in February series. From there, Nifty corrected more than 1,800 point. Now the entire 1,800 point retraced. So a total of 3,600 points in Nifty move. It's a fantastic move. And today, every day markets were moving higher and higher, but today market has consolidated. In fact, from day's high, Nifty has almost fallen 200 points. And not only that, today at 3:30, the Nifty closed at the lowest point of the day. However, because the fall was in the last 30 minutes, so because of that, the weighted average closing, NSE is showing a higher price, but otherwise it was a lowest point closing. The Bank Nifty particularly was weak. And the broader markets underperformed. Next 50, mid cap, small cap. And as usual, when the market is falling, the VIX is also falling. Yesterday, the market went up, VIX shot up by 10%. And today, market has fallen, VIX is coming down. So now, the people decided that at least for the next two trading sessions, so this is going to be a consolidation market. So the trend is over. From 22,000 to 23,800, a 1,800 point rally. I think, the rally, it is time to consolidate. In fact, this is a fast and ferocious rally. So looking at the open interest, 23,700, 23,750, 23,800, everywhere the straddles have been taken. Probably people would have sold put option in the morning. When the market started coming down, they would have sold the call option. So to convert that into a straddle. There is nothing to worry much, but this will be a consolidation only. So maybe few hundred points here and there, it can correct up to 23,500 and Nifty can go. Even then, it's only 1/6 of the recent rally. So again, even for the next month, 24,000 to 24,100 is going to be a good resistance, as I told you. But now the people are betting the way the Bank Nifty rallied more than 3,000 points. The people are betting that, RBI will cut the rates because the inflation figure was also very low. So RBI may go in for another 25 basis point rate cut. So that is a expectation. At the time of our market closing, the US futures were actually lower, but not very big, but slightly. But now, after that, the things have turned around. So now the futures are slightly higher actually. European markets are firmly in green. I think France is more than 1%. The remaining markets are around 1% higher. And because of that, the Dow future is also higher by about 85 points. So because of that, GIFT Nifty also recovered about 40-45 points, but that can change, So still the FII data is still not out. Most probably today, the domestic institutions would have sold heavily, right? So that is the reason why the Nifty has fallen about 200 points. So when FIIs are selling, they will come and sell in the morning itself, 9:15 itself. And when the DAIs are selling, they will come and sell after 3 o'clock. So that's what today, after 3 o'clock, there was a big fall. So anyway, remaining things we will discuss tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.